Hi, I'm Tom Barnett at Crestron, here at the Crestron stand at ISE 2015 to show you AV Framework, a new way to very quickly set up all of your presentation rooms, conference rooms, and classrooms. So typically, the way that classrooms and these sort of systems have been set up, these presentation systems, is that someone's had to go and program a control system. They go on their laptop, they set it up, and then later to make changes, you need to go and modify that program there. So with the new AV Framework, we've made it very, very flexible. So first you pick which of your presentation systems you want. We have a full range of different inputs and outputs. Then you pick your controller. So in this example, we have a touch screen. So let's say that this room has already been set up here, and it has a couple of sources. So I can pick for my display here either HDMI input, which is coming from this laptop, or I can pick my Air Media to send something up, let's say from an iPhone or an Android phone or a tablet or something like that. Now what always happens is then people want to make a change. Now what you want to be able to do is that very quickly. So just by pressing my settings button, which I can hide so I don't have the people using the room coming in here and messing with things, I'm just going to come in here and pick an unused input, so I don't have anything on input number 2, and I'm going to go ahead and add a Blu-ray player. So I'm going to say, I'm going to use that as my logo, I'm going to enable that input because now I'm using it, and then whatever label I want for that, I just simply type in here on my on-screen keyboard. So now I get rid of my keyboard, I save and exit, and so now I'll have 3 sources, which is Blu-ray. All I need to do now, plug in my cable here. So I said that my Blu-ray was going to be on input number 2, and so now I've completed my system. So now I can switch not only between my 2 sources I had before, but also my new source, which is Blu-ray. Now AV Framework also gives us a lot of other power, like a direct connection to Crestron Fusion Enterprise Management System right outside the box. So all I need to do is open up Fusion and add this room. I don't need to do any programming or configuration. I'll get all the status of all the devices in here, my displays. The control of the displays is established via either CEC control over HDMI, which is what's happening in this room, or an RS-232 connection to a library of drivers, or any Crestron connected display via Ethernet. So we're really excited about how fast and easy it's going to be with AV Framework to set up all of your presentation systems.